Hi everybody and welcome back. Now in the last lecture we had a very quick introduction into Python's dictionaries, the topic of this section. But in this lecture we're going to look at exactly what's going on inside a dictionary. So as we know in Python, a dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. Each key is connected to a value, and it can use a key to access the value associated with that key. A key's value can be a number, a string, a list, or even another dictionary. You can use any object that you can create in Python as a value in a dictionary. Dictionaries are wrapped in curly brackets with a series of key value pairs inside them. So as we saw in our last lecture, we created a dictionary called book1. So let's just do that again. Book1 equals, and then curly brackets. And now we have our first key, which we called author. And as you can see, that is wrapped in single quotes. Each key is separated by a colon. And the value that we want to assign to this key is Tony Staunton, the author's name. I wish I'd written a book. And let's just close that off. A key value pair is a set of values associated with each other. When you provide a key, Python returns the value associated with that key. And we saw that in the last lecture where we asked Python to print the author and we got Tony Staunton in return. Every key is connected to its value by a colon, and individual key value pairs are separated by commas. So let's add in another key value pair, comma. Let's call this one price. And let's assign it the value 10. You can store as many key value pairs as you want in a dictionary. The simplest dictionary has only one key value pair. If you're anything like me, then right now you're wondering what's the difference between lists or a tuple and dictionaries. With a dictionary, you don't store information in a sequence. Instead, you store it in pairs. And as I said previously, Python dictionaries are a lot like real-world dictionaries. In a real dictionary, each entry is a pair, a word and its definition. When you look up a word, you get its definition. So I hope that explains Python dictionaries in a little bit more detail for you, and the key value pairs and how dictionaries are created. In the next lecture, we're going to be creating dictionaries and then retrieving values from them. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next lecture.